Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to log out of your PayPal account safely using your mobile device. So in order to log out of your PayPal account on your mobile device, first of all, open up your PayPal application on your smartphone. Once you're inside the home page of PayPal, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. This will bring up your profile section, from where you'll need to swipe up and get all the way down where you see the logout button. Before logging out of your account, make sure that you remember your credential for PayPal so that you can get back to your account anytime you want without any hassle or worries. If you're sure you'd like to log out, tap on Logout, and then there you have successfully logged out or signed out of your PayPal account using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.